What's the meaning of comply? Comply. Comply.
Comply. Comply. Comply means to act in accordance with rules, laws, or requests. When a person or organization complies with something, they are agreeing to follow the guidelines set forth by another entity. Compliance can take on several forms, including meeting standards and regulations, implementing specific policies or procedures, and passing regular audits or inspections. Failure to comply with these requirements can result in penalties, legal action, or the loss of business opportunities. In short, complying with regulations is essential for the smooth functioning of any business or society at large.